Hey guys, it's your girl Brownie Brooke, and today you are going to be building a Lego set. I kind of sort of already opened it, and it still has some stuff in it. And another thing. Last time I built one of these, I didn't post it. It was a family thing when I first had posted it. So here's the directions. What all we got. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment, and post notifications. So we got these. And there. So I guess it's supposed to be something like these. Something like this. I don't know. But I'm gonna build it. So let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing I'm supposed to be looking for is this little thing. Yeah, I don't know. But we have to look in one. It says 1-1. Like it says a 1-1 bag. So I have no clue how to open this. It's not really to open it. So I'm gonna just open it like a bag of chips at this point. So it said look for this little brown piece, I guess. I actually don't know where it is. So we're just gonna look through all the bags actually at this point. Okay, so we're just gonna look through. I don't know how long this video is gonna be after I have to look for. By the way, I'm kind of on the phone with my cousin too, so she's gonna watch this too. Lonnie, I don't know what piece it is. By the way, I'm not just gonna say my cousin's name too many times, because what y'all need to know my cousin's name for? I've only found it was a white piece, but I kind of need her help, but she's reading a book right now, so. Guys, I think I found it. It looks like this. So, this is step 1. After it took me about a lot to find that piece. So, technically, I need to find these 2 pieces and connect it together with that little brown piece like this. So I gotta read the directions because I don't know what to do yet, kind of. So I built one of these, but I've done this one before. So I have one in my room. I'm not at my house right now, but I have one in my room. It's like this piano one. Piata. Is that how you say it? Piata? I don't know. I gotta ask my cousin about this vocabulary in my language. Isn't that how you say it, Jelani? Like, piata? I'm not reading her book, so I'm not gonna. But, like, I keep putting this the wrong way. Comment down below if you think I'm gonna do good on this. Comment, please. Comment. And I will answer your questions. If you're concerned about how I'm building this, don't be. Not be. And I only have 2 other pieces that look the same because this is what the directions I get. This is kind of like crazy because I don't post videos like this, so like. So we're just gonna try to connect it without breaking it a billion of times. Okay, it's like this. Oh yeah, guys. Please subscribe on my videos because I don't really have a lot of subscribers. And then it says look for this little piece thing. So we're gonna top it off with this, like this. I don't know. We're just gonna put this on. Yeah, like that. That's how it's looking. Cause I'm supposed to be building like an ice cream cone or something. So it says I need to find this and yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna put these two pieces on, like they said. Okay, but my teacher is gonna be so mad at us on Tuesday because we don't have school on Monday. So technically, these boys in my class were being really bad, and most of the kids in my class were being bad, but most of them weren't. So my substitute literally got the principal in the classroom. So so we're gonna be in big trouble. But she said that she wrote down the names that were being good and were being bad. So I'm sorry for the people in my class that were being mad. Because we were supposed to have an ice cream party, and my teacher didn't come the day that we were supposed to have our ice cream party. Okay. Now I have to find... So now I'm on the next step. I have to find these little things so it can look like eyeballs. But I have no clue how to do this stuff, so... Because last time I built one with my mom. At the time, I didn't post a video to live, so... Don't come for me, please, in the comments. So my cousin right now is on the phone with me, even though she's upstairs. I still want to do that. I'm not a good builder, but I try. But it works out sometimes. Sometimes I get a little mad, but yeah. Who thinks I should start posting more videos? Like, should I not? I don't know. Should I start posting more videos? And I'm looking at the directions because I don't know what to do. Yeah, by the way, while recording this, it's really fun to make YouTube videos, but y'all don't come for my toes. Please don't. Don't fire me up in the comments. Please don't fire me up. Don't fire me up. There. Got it on. But I need to put two of them up here, so this is what it's looking like so far. I mean, it looks kind of cute. See? Look. It looks cute. But it's not done yet, so. Then, now that we have, this. I need my cousin to come up, downstairs, because, I don't understand this. Johnny, I need you to come downstairs. Please.
What do you not understand? It's literally telling you in the book.
I don't understand this part, but yeah. This is what it's supposed to look like. If y'all can't see. Let me put it up close. I'll put it up close because y'all probably can't see that. Bro, it's so freaking hard to put it on. There. On the last one that I did, I spent about 25 minutes, 30 minutes making one. That's the one I was talking about what I did with my mom, the piñata one. Can y'all help me with my vocabulary? Because this is not, my vocabulary is not vocabulary. So I guess it's these it's like heart eyes. So it says put some heart eyes on it. So I guess it's in this bag. Y'all can see the little heart already. Look, Jelani. It's like the little heart eye. So it's like these. If you can't see up close. And I'm crazy. Have y'all seen that on y'all YouTube shorts? All on with this bubble. I have no bubble, but I have skincare. Then you have a... I'm sorry, guys. It's like a little show. Okay. Now, I have to put this piece, this little brown piece right here. Looks kind of like poop. Okay, I need 2 of them. So I have to put it like on top of each other because that's what the direction. Whoa, that kind of scared me. It's not freaking coming on. There, I got it. After struggling a little bit. Okay, now this is what it's supposed to look like. So I guess it's finished. This is what it's supposed to look like. And this is what it looks like. Looks weird. It's cute though. Okay. So this is the first one I made. So we're supposed to be making 1, 2, 3. We're supposed to be making 5 of them, but. So in the directions, it says grab this piece. My head. I have a headache right now, so. It says grab this like piece. Alright, so now I'm gonna put the white piece in the middle because that's what it says. Like this. And now the directions. I don't understand this, but our mom says do this. So we're gonna find those pieces and put them together. This is what it's looking like that. So I have to put it together like that. I don't know why she said I don't understand it and I get it, but yeah, like that. Now I have to put this little other piece on the top. There's another blue piece on the top. This kind of looks like a cake, but it's kind of like a robot. There's a black piece. That's supposed to be here. Oh, that black piece is in this bag, so I have to open up this bag too. Whoa! That scared me because it popped out of the bag. Okay, now I have to put it in the middle, like, okay, like this. It's supposed to look like, I guess. Now. I don't understand this, but okay. So this is what the directions say. So we're making a head. So it says, grab this piece, and there's another piece that looks like this. And put it together, and put this piece on the back. Kind of make sure you hear that click a little bit. So many attempts at this. There. Finally, after so many attempts. If you wonder why my fingers are a bit red, I was eating hot Cheetos earlier, so. Then you have a flower. Everybody on my YouTube shorts got that stuck. No, it says grab this little piece. So that's supposed to be like a face and head at the same time. Why are you hitting me with your bonnet? Why? Okay, stop it. Stop it. Okay, now I'm supposed to be doing like these little 2 pieces. Stop it. Stop it, Jelani. Jelani, stop it. Stop it. Stop it. So, these are the 2 pieces. I'm supposed to be looking for a piece that I don't know. And half of the pieces just fell out the bag, so the piece must be on me. If you do the cooking by the book, it's supposed to look like this, but it's not working out because I can't find the piece. Oh my god. Really? Really? It was right in this bag. Okay, so I have to put it somewhere. Or where the... Oh gosh. Okay. So I have to put it like this somehow. Yeah. Okay. Like that. If you do the cooking with a book. I'm sorry, guys. I just have a little friends in there. Yeah, this is what it's supposed to look like so far. And then I have to put these little eyes on it. Cooking by the book. Now, these are what the eyes supposed to look like. It's really small and I have to hold it like that. So, yeah. And I'm doing this in my aunt's room, by the way, so her bed's gonna be like a little messy. But I'm gonna clean it up because I don't feel like getting in trouble today. So now it says I have to put the head together. My cousin just hugged up on me, but... And this is what it looks like. So we got 2 now. They're a little couple. No, that was actually kind of weird. No. Okay. That. It's not finished, actually. It's not finished yet. Go, best friend. That's my best friend. That's my best friend. You better with up. Best friend, I want you. Want you to go with it. I'm sorry. Go, best friend. That's my best friend. That's my best friend. Where did it go? What the world? It keeps falling. Everything is falling. It's getting on my nerves. Oh. It's kind of annoying. Okay, so POV that I can't get this right. So POV, I'm gonna have to go upstairs and ask my cousin for help. Even though she might say no, I'm still gonna ask, cause yeah, I need help. This is hard. I don't even know why I'm doing it. I got bored and wanted to do a YouTube video, cause I've really been posting. So Oh, it's supposed to be in the front of his head. Okay. Why is it bent over like that? Ew. This is... Why is it so bent over like that? Why does it have to be so bent over? Hey, don't y'all start that real stuff in my comments, bro. I'm not even joking. Start that. But. Okay. So now, put it like this. Rather. Out. That hurt. Like this. Looks cute, but it's not done yet. Because I still have to find the freaking piece to watch. I don't know. Let's go. Don't ask why I'm standing on the vent like this. Come on, y'all. Beeswaxes. So it's supposed to be some black piece on it, but I don't know where that piece is. Don't try to be coming for me in my comments while I said black like that. I'm not racist. Racist. Ooh. Fireball. Yay! I got it. Even though it took me a while to find it. Now there are a couple. Okay, so I've only made 2 so far. So now I'm supposed to be doing this Kitty Cat. It looks ugly. The Kitty Cat looks ugly, but let's be real. So it says grab this piece. Let's be real now. Y'all know it look ugly. Y'all don't even know what it looks like, but it's about to look uglier. Okay, so I gotta put this little piece between it, like down straight in the middle, like that. Now we have the yellow piece. Kind of looks like a banana split to me. Now just put another yellow piece between it. Legos, which y'all got me doing up here, cause ow, that hurt. That hurt. Oh, that hurt so much. It was delightful, actually. What is wrong with this Lego? There. Looks like this. Now it says put these these yellow pieces on it. So the cat's supposed to be yellow. That's why it's got a. The cat is supposed to be yellow, so that's why it has a bunch of yellow. By the way, this is a Christmas gift that my aunt got me, but she forgot to tell me it was a Christmas gift. So I don't know how she found out I like Legos, because Legos are my favorite. I'm not even gonna cap to you guys. Like, I love Legos, to be honest. Bro. Even though they kind of annoy me sometimes to build, but isn't that the point of Legos? Does it keep falling? Yay! I did it! Oh. Oh, that's the wrong way to put the Lego. If you do the cooking by the book, then you have a flower. Now I'm actually concerned because I don't know if I put this on the right way. Oh, it's like this. Like that. I was actually kind of concerned because I thought I didn't put it right, but I guess I did. Excuse me, God. Oh, yes, I do. Yes, I do. Something. So, I'm supposed to be going to Great Wolf Lodge soon. On my cousin's birthday party. Yes, I got edges, y'all. But they messed up. They messed up. They messed up. Okay, so it's supposed to look like this. Now we're just going to go to the next page. Now, we have this. I don't understand it, but it says get these 2 little pieces. I just jumped everything on my aunt's bed because I can't find anything. I can't find the piece. I'm gonna have to go get my cousin from upstairs because she's gonna say no to helping me. So like, why would I? But this poor little thing is kind of. I need my cuts. Ah, I found it, guys. I found it. But. Please don't be coming in my comments. Don't come for me in my comments. It's just that. Guys, comment down below if you know how long it took me to get this. Guys, I can't find the piece so far right now. Oh, I found it, guys. It was in this bag. Just like that. Now I have to put these 2 yellow pieces on. I don't know why they made this cat really yellow. Okay, so it's supposed to be like, oh, that's the wrong piece. It's supposed to be like this. Why is it gotta be cricket? Okay, this is like kind of like, this looks like the ears or something. Now we have to find this little mouth. It's like little eyes. Okay, so we have to put little eyes. Okay, now this is what the mouth looks like. And this cat looks low-key weird, but ew. Okay, now I have made 3 of them. This is kind of like a mess. Oh, I have to add these like the little whiskers to it. The whiskers look kind of weird, but I keep forgetting that I have to add stuff to it. Okay. The whisker didn't want to go in for a second, so like, they look kind of cute though. No! Why did they do this cat like that? Like, why did they do this cat like this? This is not good for cats. And then I have the whiskers just fell off. But. There. I had to concentrate a little bit there because I kind of almost got frustrated for a second, so I had to concentrate. Now it said add like 4 of these little pieces. The whisker keeps coming off. Whisker, stop coming off. It's not fun. It's not funny. that. Okay, it's almost done. I just need to add one more little piece. Yay! He looks like a cat finally. Now I have certainly built 3. Though it says I need to build 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 3. What? And that's still not it of the cat, bro? What is so good about this cat that it needs so many pieces? This cat look weird. Okay, now the cat is better. Okay, this is bag. Okay. So it's a lot of Legos in the bed. So I think I need bag 2 for this. Bless me. So it says I need this long piece. And it says, bro, the book just closed. That's not even funny, because now I don't know what page. Okay, I found the page. Little freak. Okay, so now it says I need to add like these 2 pieces. I got a bad feeling about you. Have y'all want to go see the Willy Wonka, the new Willy Wonka movie? Because I didn't really like it. It wasn't much as like a movie. It was more as like a, let's just say, it was more like a musical, to be honest. It wasn't really much of a movie. Okay, so it says I need to find another piece, like this one. And I found one. So now it says I need to get these like 2 pieces. Well, they look kind of weird. I don't know why they're shaped like this, but it's shaped like this. It's shaped weird, but yeah. On the back. Guys, I have to look through a lot of bags because now I don't know where some of the pieces are. Oh, I found it. So it's supposed to be like some kind of cloud thing. Like that. And now it says I need to add like these little pieces. I don't know if it's like that or something. But all I know that it has like a little piece. It's like, I don't know, like this. Okay. I have to find the piece. I found it, guys. Lego building takes up time sometimes. But if you're a quick Lego builder, then good for you. But me, on the other hand, I'm not quick. I gotta take time. I found it, but I can't get it. In the back. Okay, I'm on. Oops. supposed to look like that. Now I need to add like this little piece here. Feeling bad, feeling bad, yeah. It's supposed to look like this. Mama's dropping something. First, I need like these little eyes. Guys, so like I can't find the piece that I need, but I want to create it, so guys, I have an idea. So I want to use like little stars for the eyes. That would kind of be cute. So I want to add like little stars. I'm gonna add stars to the eyes. I want it to be creative. Cause I actually can't find the piece that it's trying to. And I look all over in the bag and it's not there. So we're just gonna add like little stars to the eyes. And the mouth, I don't know about the mouth. But I'm gonna make a good. This is gonna be kind of cute. By the way, I did it. I wanted to do it different. Oh. So I needed a little piece too. It's like very small. It's like a very small. It's like that. So I have to put it on the top. And I also found it easily this time. I'll be struggling looking for these. And these Legos don't cooperate. These Legos don't want to cooperate with me. Like the Legos, I feel like they don't even like me no more. Because I haven't played with them. And I do have a Lego set, guys, so I just don't play with them a lot. But I do love Legos, so don't get me wrong, Okay, so it says I need like this little brown piece. So it's supposed to look like this, and this is supposed to. So now it says I need to get these like little pink pieces. So I need to stack them on top of each other. So I need 3 of them. So it's like a little rainbow. So for this part, it's like a rainbow, but it's not like the colors of a real rainbow. It's like pink, yellow, and blue, and purple. So comment down below what's your favorite color. Because I turned 16. Guys, they keep breaking off, bro. It's really annoying. Y'all didn't see me do that. Baba, baba, abba, 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 abba. Abba, 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 Abba. Come on. So I have to find this other blue piece, but how did it get all the way over there? It's not even a piece. It's not even a piece. They're all supposed to be in this bag, and I can't find it. I cannot find it. Since they're like dumped out on the bed a little bit, these are extras, and I think I might need the extras. You. I can't chill about it because I can't find it. Finally, I found it after it took years of looking for it. Okay, now I have to do purple, and that's the last color. They won't stay stable, but I got them to stay stable. I've had so many rages doing this video. I might have another rage if I don't find another purple piece. Okay, I found it. There. Need 3 of them. Now it says I have to put the head together like this. Yay! It looks crooked though. I have to get it straight, but I can't get it straight. I got it. It's stable. Now that's number 4. And the last is this little dinosaur thing. Boom. Okay, so I need this purple piece. This. And then I need this little piece. Boom. My back hurts right now. So I'm sitting up for so long. Okay. And then I need this big blue piece. And I'll need to put the purple piece between it. Like this. And this will look like exactly what it looks like. Okay, so now I have to put these scared me. It scared me. She's coming upstairs. That's the one I was talking about. It was upstairs. Ow! The thing, the Lego pinched me. Like that. I keep pinching myself. Oh, I need 3. I didn't know I needed 3. No, I don't know. Okay. Like this. Like that. So then I need another blue piece. It's supposed to be looking something like this. Chippy chippy chaka chaka forward. Chippy chippy chaka chaka I keep falling out. I'm getting upset because I keep falling out. Oh, okay, I found it. Sorry, I was looking at TV for a few seconds. I have to put these little blue pieces in. The theme color is supposed to be blue and purple, by the way. So if you didn't know. When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me when I'm miss me everywhere. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. No, y'all, I did it wrong. Y'all, he said it was true love. Understand. I have to rebuild, kind of. So, you already know the pieces that I've used, so I'm not gonna show y'all. Jelani. She's not answering. put it together like that. Now have to put these like eyes on it. She was hers again. There's no boy choice. You don't love me for once in green. And he said, maybe the cat got let out the bag. But we're made. Sweet every night. Okay, now I have to put the head on. The moment of truth there. I did it! After 1,000 years, I have made all 5. But this is the end of the video. So, bye.